Everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can download or install ADO Box on Android TV or Smart TV or a Fire Stick TV. For that I will guide you step by step. You have to follow this process. Here you can see how to install on Fire Stick or Android TV. So first of all, you have to launch search from the main menu of your Fire Stick or Fire TV, or search the app on Google Play or Android TV and install the app. Once you install the app, then here you can see in this URL or search term, just type the URL ado.app/tv or search 795281 and click on go. When you click on this, it will give you an app. Just install the app and open it. So this is a very simple process how you can download and install ADO Box on your Fire Stick or Android or Smart TV. Thank you for watching.